Let's see if I can do a 2-minute tutorial. I've done a foot brake one. I could try and explain a one-hander. That's what we're going to try and do in 2 minutes here. Basically, if you know how to wheelie in general, you know, regular first gear sit down, this is how I did it. I started biking a wheelie, and before I just tried to move some fingers. That was like the first thing that I did when trying to do no-handers, and then it was a quick like that. And that's, I'm not locking my foot yet. I was just trying to like not be gripping the bike as much as I could with my hands. All your weight's in your, like, sitting in the center of your ass, and you want to make sure like your hand grip's as loose as possible so you could take it off. You don't want to be like white knuckling it. And once you do that, you just tuck your foot underneath the peg like that. I don't know if you can see it. Tuck it under there, squeeze with your knees, squeeze the tank. That'll keep you more stable. And then this hand, once you like get a little more comfortable with taking fingers off and just like moving it, not having it be like super glued onto the bar, you just hook the foot, hand off, and then you can like move it around and shit and do that. Honk the horn. Try a little opposite throttle hand right there. That's only the second day I've been trying to do those, so they're not that great. But yeah, just get comfortable with taking your hand off a little bit, and then hook the foot, let it go, and then you can move it around. A little chicken wing. You can lock the bars, you can do it straight. You don't need to hook your foot, but it makes it a little more comfortable in the beginning. And then locking the bars is just a matter of turning it and keeping your weight centered. It's weird at first. I did them with bars straight. Oh, I'm in second. That's why. I did you turn it, and then you're like this. Failed coaster, not high enough. But yeah, that is one-handers in a nutshell.
Hottest stash in the carpet. Yeah, we trapping out apartments. I ain't done when you start shit. To be honest, lit the flame in my heart, gotta spark it.